Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got my first box from Hellofresh, and this is just basically like a meal subscription. They don't really send you like a full like grocery supply, but they do send you ingredients to 2 or 3 meals a week, and it is a subscription service. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we got for this week. I didn't choose the meals, and I'm not sure what we got because I've been busy and haven't looked, but we are trying to simplify dinner time, and anything that makes it easier, I'm all about it. So we're gonna see what we got. Everything's nice. So on top they have all of these papers, and it comes with, it says Fresh Life. Ooh, I about dropped it. Okay, let's see. I've got my daughters over here laughing at me.
Hi.
What does it say? Hello Herbs?
I know, I was telling you like different, it's just like a little...
Yeah, it's just a... I
That's
don't know.
sick.
We'll look at that later.
Hey, beat your
Okay,
head.
this one is the...
Meatloaf.
This is... Okay, and then they've got the 2 recipes for what they sent us this time. So this time we got the meatloaf a la mom, and it's got the ingredients down at the bottom. And then it has the calories, the prep time, recipe, they've got the ingredients, they've got the calories, the total preparation time, and then on the back it has the instructions on how to prepare the food. And yeah, so this time we got the meatloaf and the stovetop mac and cheese. So what, I guess y'all can come in. What do y'all want for dinner tonight, the meatloaf or the stovetop mac and cheese?
I think the stovetop mac and cheese, that looks good.
Yeah, this instead of...
Okay, so we're gonna cook this one tonight, and then we'll cook the next one tomorrow, and we'll show you how we do that, and we'll let you know which one we like best, or if we like them at all. But yeah, both of these are the same. It just has a picture of what it should look like plated, and then how to prepare it on the back. I'll leave my HelloFresh link below if you want to order your own. But let's go ahead and pull out all the food and start putting the food away. So it's in this bubble wrap, but it's like aluminum, and I think it's more like to keep it cool, almost like a cooler. And then they're really nicely packaged separately in these brown paper bags. So this is the ingredients to the meatloaf dinner. And this is the ingredients to the stovetop mac and cheese. Okay.
Here, remember we did this?
Okay, so don't forget to check under the ice for extra cool ingredients. Okay, so we've got all the things that have to be cold still. Here's the meat. Go ahead and put that away. Pancetta, more pancetta. Ooh, they're a little bit wet, that's gross. And then we have this ice pack that we can keep and put in the freezer for whenever we need it. Okay. Will you put this in the freezer in the garage, wherever you can fit it? That was everything in the box. Let's go ahead and open these bags. So this one is the stovetop mac and cheese. It's so beautifully packaged and placed in here. It's all nice and neat, and I love that. I love that it's all organized. You get to keep these recipe cards to use over and over, so you'll know what to get, and you can make it again. If you're not using HelloFresh, you can still use these recipes. So we've got scallops, chicken flavor, Italian cheese, more Italian cheese, flour, and it's all measured out for you, exactly what you need. You don't have to do any measuring. This is 1 tablespoon of flour. That's all you need for the recipe. Everything's already measured out for you, and it makes it so much easier and so convenient. Got the broccoli, more broccoli, and the noodles. And then we've got even the milk. Everything that you need, and it's perfectly measured out already. and even cream cheese spread. So it's all ready to go right there, and it's super simple. So we're gonna cook this one tonight, and then we'll cook the meatloaf tomorrow.
You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.
Actually a maternity shirt.
You must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.
Slice the scallions. Alright, let's get our cutting board. Get our scallions. Let's cut these up. It says slice the scallions. I don't know if that means like chop or like, I don't know. Oh, it says separating greens and whites. Good to know, good to know. Don't make fun of me for using the wrong knife. Put this in my compost. This will actually grow more scallions if you plant it. Free food for your garden. Well, not free, but you know. It's reusable. We can use this again.
As time goes by,
Alright, now we have to cut the broccoli. Move the scallions over here.
you must remember this, a kiss is still a kiss.
Want us to microwave the broccoli. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not all about that microwave life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and steam the broccoli on the stovetop because that's how I get down. The microwave completely changes the chemical makeup of your food. When you microwave it, you're like basically nuking your food. And it's just not the healthiest way to cook your food. So I'm not gonna do that tonight. I'm just gonna go ahead and steam it on the stovetop. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this broccoli into my skillet. I've got some water in here. I'm gonna put that in the skillet on the stove, put a lid on it, steam the broccoli real quick. It did say to microwave steam the broccoli, but I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to do it this way.
As time goes by,
so this bag does say thoroughly washed broccoli. So that's why I didn't wash it. It says it's been washed. Let's hope they're not lying. Broccoli in there and some water, and steam that real quick, and then we'll cook the rest of everything. I'm just gonna put a lid on that. This is my Green Life ceramic cookware, and I absolutely love it, you guys. If you can get it at Kroger and Walmart, I know for sure. Love this stuff. I'll link it below if you want to get a set. Alright, throw this trash away from the scallions. Now, we need to, once the water is boiling, we're going to add the noodles, stirring occasionally, 9 to 11 minutes until the noodles are fully cooked. And it says reserve half a cup of pasta cooking water. Then drain well before returning to the pot. Interesting. Alright, now I need to crisp the pancetta. So I think I need to move the broccoli to the back burner so I can crisp the pancetta. Here's the pancetta. And this is, pancetta is Italian style bacon, which I don't know that I've ever had pancetta, so this should be interesting. I might have, but if I did, I didn't know it. So I'm going to get another little skillet out here so we can crisp the pancetta. More Green Life cookware. I promise I'm not sponsored. I just love this cookware. Okay, so add pancetta to a large pan, place over medium-high heat, cook, stirring often until almost crisp, 5 to 7 minutes. Add scallion whites and cook until soft in about 1 minute. Remove both ingredients from pan with a slotted spoon, keeping as much oil in the pan as possible. Now, let's do that. Oldest foster daughter, she's probably going to be disappointed that she didn't get to do this with me. I'll let her cook the meatloaf with me tomorrow, but she did, her caseworker did just pick her up an hour ago and took her somewhere because it's her birthday weekend. And they will be back later, and I wanted to go ahead and get started on dinner before everybody's screaming that they're starving. Mama. And I wasn't sure what time she would be back. Hi.
You recording?
Yep. Do you want to help me cook, Miss Bradley? That's a no. We're going to add the noodles to the boiling water now because the water is starting to boil. And this is cut fusilli noodles, like the little spiral noodles. And I'll just tell y'all a little tip. If you put just a little bit of olive oil in with your noodles, they won't stick to the pot, to the bottom of the pot. So we got broccoli steaming, pancetta cooking, noodles boiling.
about to eat the first bag meal from Hellofresh.
Needs salt, but it's pretty good.